Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We are out at the motor again, of course. We got a lot of work to do on this motor before it can go back in that Mustang, so we're gonna get right into it. All right. Got a little dusty in here. Let's see. All right, so let's work on this front timing cover first. Where is it? It's right here. Oil pan is on and looking good. So we're gonna flip her back over. Oh, it's getting heavier. I don't know how long that wasn't filming for, but we got the driver's side head on. Now we're gonna do the passenger side head. Clamp it all down. We got the oil pan on as well. I don't know if it missed that, but I'll check in a minute. Anyways, we're gonna get the passenger side head all on and torqued down. And yeah, so let's do it. All right, torquing the heads down. We're starting at the center and moving outwards at a crisscross angle. Ooh. Just all the way around. All right, got all those torqued down, looking good. Next item of business is going to be the lifters, but we might do that tomorrow just because I want to make sure I do it all right. Need to do some research, but we can check these gaskets. Those look like they'll work. Make sure this. Yeah, that'll work good too. All right, we're gonna cover this up and we're gonna be back at this tomorrow. Tomorrow is a very important day too, because while I'm sitting here getting sick of building this motor, just kidding, I'm not sick of it, I love it, but I need a daily driver. So tomorrow we are gonna pick up a daily driver, which will be about right now in this video. So we'll see you there. All right guys, here she is. The newest torque line rig. It's a 2000 Mustang GT, and it is a riot. There's a few things we need to fix on it. So we're gonna go do that today, as well as work on the other Mustang, getting it ready to go. We'll give you guys a little rundown of this over at the shop. Got the 5-speed manual in here, 136,000 miles. Yeah. All right guys, as you can see, the Stang is in the shop. This thing is freaking sick. I'm so in love with it. I don't know if I'll be able to sell it, but I probably need to. Anyways, right now the exhaust is just kind of dangling there. It needs to be re-welded underneath, so we're going to get under there, re-weld it, and then we're going to go kind of rip around on it for a little bit today, show you guys what it's made of. So yeah, let's get into that. Of course, this thing's slammed to the ground, so you got to raise it up. It's got freaking 335s in the rear, which I've never even heard of, but they are fat and they hold on. All right, there's our majestic welds. They look like crap, but they're gonna hold. So as long as they're gonna hold, I'm not worried about it because I don't want it to bounce off while I'm driving. And I did a couple other things under there, but yeah. Anyways, check out these freaking fat tires. They got some meat on them. Holy moly. And they like stick to the ground, so yeah. Tires are so wide. All right, we're ripping the car. I told you guys we're gonna drive it. This kid's pulling a fat wheelie, holy fetch. She got a little bit of umph, not crazy. I love how they sound though, that throaty sound, like the ooh. They sound pretty good. It's so freaking rough though, since it's lowered. Like one of these bumps, I think it was this one.
Dude, have to throw those shocks.
I mean, I guess it's probably not slammed as much as it could be.
It was as low as my silver.
This thing does handle good though, like it doesn't slide out. It's time to get the water pump put on. I got the gasket here, we got the new water pump over there, I got the gasket maker. We're gonna get it on, get it tightened down so it's all ready to go, and then probably move on to the lifters. So we're gonna put it on.
Thank you.
Like that. Okay. It goes in like that one, yeah. These long ones. So this one I was kind of like, I don't know. I couldn't tell on this one. I guess, I'm sure, yeah, I'll find the torque specs, but I'm just gonna get them kind of, see that's still like, that's already getting tight and it's not even all the way in. So I don't know.
And this one? Keep going in.
Yeah. Just use the stripped one.
Yeah. But it's probably cross-threaded to the grids. Just do what you can with that.
Maybe, I don't know.
That's what sucks with the blocks.
Yeah.
Don't surprise. Maybe you will, but sometimes you have to drill the new thread.
That's not even getting tight.